Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, we are gonna do question number 3rd of 5.1 exercise. If you want to see question number 2nd of this exercise, for that you can simply click on I button. So before to start this question, let's quickly talk about what is an arithmetic progression. Basically, arithmetic progression is a collection of terms in which term increases and decreases by the same constant. In the previous class, we were creating an AP series, and here we have an AP series. What we have to do here, we have to find what is the first term and what is the common difference among all the terms of any specific series. Okay. So let's start with the first part of this question. This is the first part, and for finding the first term, so first term itself says that I am the first value of this given AP series. That means this value is our first term. Like if we need to know what is how can we consider the terms of an AP series? So we read like A1, this is A2, this is A3, and this is A4. This 3 value is A1, and that is our first term. So for the first part, this A is 3 and this A is what? This is the first term. Okay. And to find the common difference, so common difference will be the difference of these terms. How can we find the difference? So for that, this first term will subtract from the second term, okay, and this second term will subtract from the third term, and this third will be from the fourth term. But usually we just find D 2 times, that the values of D will be same. For D we use a formula. The formula is the same which I was just telling you here, like for first D part, A2 minus A1, okay, and the value we will substitute here. A2 is 1 and A1 is 3, so that is minus 2. But by finding 1D, it is like a just normal difference, it's not a common difference. So for that common difference, we will find our value of D one more time, and one more time with the another terms. Like earlier we have taken A2 minus A1, now we will take A3 minus A2. Alright, it is as I told you, like A1 will subtract from A2, so A2 minus A1. A2 will subtract from A3, that means A3 minus A2. Okay, now we will just substitute value. A3 is minus 1 and A2 is 1, so this value is coming minus 2. If your both values of D are coming same, that means this is our common difference. So value of D will be minus 2 only. So this is how we can represent the answers. A will be 3, that is the first term, and D, that is a common difference, it will be minus 2. I hope you understood. So let's do the second part. For this, A will be second part we are doing, and for A, this is minus 5. As I told you, the first term is your A. For D, first D is equal to A2 minus A1. So here A2 minus 1 and then minus 5. So it will come 4. Okay. And for another D, A3 minus A2. A3 is 3 and minus A2 is minus 1. So it will come 4. 2D are coming same. That means the common difference is 4 and A, this value is minus 5. So D is 4. Let's move to the third question. A of this question will be 1 by 3. This is the first term. And for D, what we will do, D is equal to A2 minus A1. So A2 is 5 by 3 minus A1 is 1 by 3. So what we will do, just simply do the subtraction. 4 by 3 will be D. As I told you, we will be finding it twice. So for A3 minus A2, that is 9 by 3 minus 5 by 3. That is 4 by 3. That means D is 4 by 3 and A, this is our value of A. Hope you are understanding how to find first term and common difference. To find the first term, it's not like you have to put any effort. It will be already given to you in the question. You just need to note it down. Okay. Now let's do the last part of this question. Here, as I told you, A will be 0.6 and for D, A2 minus A1. Now we will just substitute the values. A2 is 1.7 and A1 is 0.7. So it will come 1.1. For the second D, that is A3 minus, this is A3 and this is A2. So 2.8 minus 1.7. It will come 1.1. Okay. So that means our D is 1.1 and A value is 0.6. So this is how you can find the first term and find the common difference of any specific series. Okay. You just need to understand what is the concept. For in upcoming videos we're doing questions of 5.2 exercise. So please be connected. Subscribe the channel if you have not. Thank you for watching this video.